In this episode, we are working on the old first shed.
And this episode is sponsored by Auxbeam.
So, this video is sponsored by Auxbeam. This time they sent us some P-bulbs. So we'll be putting them in, tonight we'll be putting them in whatever truck decides to start, which might not be any of them, but in that case we'll still try to get one started. It'll be a cold start regardless, because it's about freezing out here, because I'm freezing. That's how you tell if it's freezing or not. So, not even a light came on. So much for a $230 Napa battery. Warranty. So, as you can see, we got a Napa charger to charge our Napa battery. Should crank now and fire, so let's give it a shot. Hey, we got an interior light. It's day 2. We didn't get around to doing it last night. We had this charging for about an hour, and we'll see if that was enough to start first gen in the negatives. It always surprises me how easy this thing will start. There's no smoke even. And if I were to go start the 24 valve in the plumbing, it smokes. It's not even a haze. Yeah, it smells like Cummins. So these are the new lights. As you can see, they look very different than your typical P bulb, as we call them, but they're technically a T10 bulb. So anywhere where a P bulb / T10 bulb goes, this will go. And as you can see, look at that. This is like 2, 4, 6, 8 or 9 diodes on each side. It's pretty cool. So on these old trucks, it's only 2 bolts or 2 screws holding each one down, and you twist the light out, take the bulb out, put a new bulb in, then reverse order that back. So it's literally 2 minutes each side. Not sure what it's like on newer vehicles. I know Ford likes to make things complicated, so have fun if you're doing this on a Ford. It's also another thing I remembered, not sure if all trucks like this, but your little screw grounds out the light. So make sure you put that back the right way. So there's what a typical bulb looks like. This one has white paint on it. Not sure how that happened. And that just make it all the way in. That should work. We'll put this one back together and test it. So, especially with LEDs, you do want to test them. So when you're doing this, test every one as you go. Because, from our experience, sometimes LEDs need to go a certain way compared to your typical old school bulb. So we'll just test that real quick. As you can see, that's on. It's also not as orange as the other ones, but for sure it's a lot brighter. Not sure what my preference is for color, but they're gonna be brighter. You have a heavy duty pickup, 25, 35, 45, 55, 6500 truck, and higher yet, you have cab lights, and this is a very simple upgrade to make them brighter, if that's what you want to do. It's also make them more reliable, because as you know, typical light bulbs burn out. LEDs are known to last substantially longer. So if you want to never have problems with your cab lights, I guess do this. Plus, it's, yeah, like I said, it's dirt cheap. And we got a link in the description. These are obviously from Auxbeam. They're our light people. And we've never had problems with Auxbeam stuff yet. Seems to be very good quality. So I'm sure you could tell that putting these LEDs in did make it more almost yellow. I did look at it on camera, and it looks a lot more yellow yet on camera. So these are still very much more orange than yellow. And I'm guessing that's just because they're a whiter, brighter light. So more shining through the amber of the, what do you call this? The end. Like the plastic here is tinted orange. So it's just more light coming through. They're brighter. I don't think they're yellow enough that it looks weird. It's definitely the function over looks here. Alarm for...
These lights work good on a farm truck, a nice work truck. But let's see if they work good on a RAS car.
A rice car that's made out of rice. It's made in Japan.
Okay, so we're gonna replace these, I don't know, they're just like marker lights kind of. They're always on when the car is on. I don't know, probably signals too, but I don't even know. But I know
It's hard to look at the front of your car when you're inside.
I mean, sometimes you get a mirror over here to look at people's front of their cars when they drive it.
Oh.
But I don't like those. So.
It's connected to this whole thing.
Oh, shoot.
How's that go?
And I know one light's already burnt.
I know one light's already burnt out. We're gonna see if we can replace them easily. We also don't know if these are the correct bulbs for the vehicular device, but we're about to find out.
Look. Someone have to Google it.
So we're trying to get the lights out, but we had to first take out the grill piece before we could get to the nut.
Okay, so this is a different light here than this. So maybe this uses the same bulb too, you think? Japanese torque spec. Oh, that's a full bulb. We'll leave that one. It's like a headlight bulb. This one here is what we need. Oh yeah, that's hot. Give me a bulb.
I'm giving you one. If you have some patience in life, then that's good.
Okay, now turn the lights on, see if it works.
Flip it around.
Okay, wait. Wait. Turn them off.
Turn them on again, Jake.
Turn them on. Yeah. Okay, turn it off. I'm blinding myself.
Look at this. That's out.
Look at that, that's already looking in.
Oh, that hurt really good. Oh.
Okay, so apparently I don't know how to change light bulbs. So yeah. Whew, that hurt good. Now that's done, and that is set. Okay, so it's in. It's a lot brighter, looks a lot better. And the thing is, it only took about 5 minutes. So if any of you guys want to do this on your vehicles, these bulbs are in a lot of, not just these, they're in like lots of lots of vehicles. So your car at home probably has them too. So it's a good investment to buy some of these, and easy DIY project.
Why is it brought on the floor?